In this video, we are going to see the colligative property, that is a relative lowering of vapor pressure. Let us see first what is the meaning of a relative lowering of vapor pressure. Relative lowering of vapor pressure is the ratio of lowering of vapor pressure to that of vapor pressure of pure solvent. Remember that in the previous video we have seen the definition of colligative property. In that we said that whenever a non-volatile solute is added to a solvent which is volatile, the vapor pressure of the solvent decreases. It is because it is added to the non-volatile solute. Let me give you an example in order to understand relative lowering of vapor pressure. In a classroom consisting of all the toppers, the school management has introduced some of the dull students who are not interested in studies. When those students who are not interested in studies are added to the class of toppers, ultimately some of the toppers will also lose their ability to learn. This is because of the companionship of the dull students, or else the students who are not interested in studies. The overall performance of the class will decrease because of the addition of students who are not interested in studies. In the similar way, if you are going to add the non-volatile solute to the volatile solvent, the amount of vapor formed by the pure solvent will decrease. It is because of the addition of non-volatile solute. Whenever non-volatile solute is added to the volatile solvent, the vapor pressure of the solution will decrease. This is known as a relative lowering of vapor pressure. Let us see the definition of relative lowering of vapor pressure. A relative lowering of vapor pressure of solution containing non-volatile solute is equal to the mole fraction of solute in the solution. The amount of decrease in the vapor pressure of the solvent or the solution is because of the addition of non-volatile solute, and it completely depends on the number of moles of solute. That is the reason why we have said it as relative lowering of vapor pressure of solution is equal to the mole fraction of solute. Let us see the mathematical expression of a relative lowering of vapor pressure. A relative lowering of vapor pressure is the ratio of lowering of vapor pressure to that of vapor pressure of pure solvent. Here PA naught is vapor pressure of pure solvent, and because of the addition of non-volatile solute, the vapor pressure of the solution is decreased. The amount of decrease can be measured by using a lowering of vapor pressure, that is PA naught minus PA. PA is the vapor pressure of the solution, PA naught is the vapor pressure of a pure solvent, and when we subtract the vapor pressure of solution from the vapor pressure of pure solvent, we are going to get lowering of vapor pressure. As we said, relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of solute. Here we can say that PA naught minus PA by PA naught is equal to XB, which is the mole fraction of solute. And we know that mole fraction is the number of moles of solute by total number of moles of all the components present in the solution. Here XB can be replaced by NB by NA plus NB. Here NB and NA are the number of moles of solute and solvent respectively. In order to determine the relative lowering of vapor pressure, we are going to use Ostwald and Varkas method. This method is used to determine relative lowering of vapor pressure. As we know, relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to NB by NA plus NB. But if in the solution the number of moles of solute is very less when compared to that of number of moles of solvent, then we can neglect the number of moles of solute in the denominator side. Remember, we are not going to neglect it in the numerator side, but we are going to ignore it in the denominator side. When we take NB negligible in the denominator side, we are going to get a formula PA naught minus PA by PA naught is equal to NB by NA. But we know that NB is number of moles of solute and Na is number of moles of solvent, and we know that number of moles of solute or solvent is equal to weight by gram molecular weight or else weight by molecular weight. Here Pa naught minus Pa by Pa naught is equal to Wb by Mb into Ma by Wa. On simplification of this one, we are going to get a formula Mb is equal to Wb by Wa into Ma into Pa naught by Pa naught minus Pa. Here Wb is the mass of solute, Wa is mass of solvent, Mb is molecular weight of solute, Ma is molecular weight of solvent, Pa naught is the vapor pressure of pure solvent, and Pa is the vapor pressure of solution. By using this formula, we can calculate the molecular weight of the unknown solute present in the solution. This is relative lowering of vapor pressure, and in the next coming video we are going to see elevation of boiling point of pure solvent.